So, movement is the use of elements or effects to guide a viewer's attention to the most important piece of your design. It can also help you create a sense of urgency, and this is why this principle is so widely used for advertisements. So let's look at some examples of movement. So here in this Kittl template, we have a variety of elements that are creating movements. So we have these kind of curved elements that help carry a design all the way through, moving from one section of the template to another section, or starting off the artboard, coming on and moving to the other side. So we also have this sense of moving from this section all the way down to this circular area right here. Now we also have movement in the type. So the type is curving all the way across the design, which kind of helps guide our attention. And we also have these little rays coming out of the side of the design that help us also go from the bottom left up to the top right, reading Flatland, a romance of many dimensions. It also kind of plays on the title of this design as well. So here's another Kittl template that utilizes movement. So not only do we have this surfer that's up in the foreground, it's actually looking kind of like it's coming towards you or off the front. We also have the waves here, and we also have these rays coming off of the sun that give this sense of motion or movement. So what's really cool about this is utilizing both sizing and other elements and ray elements to create this speed aspect. And not only that, we're actually using some different techniques like coming out of the circle. So we have where the circle stops and starts again here, and our character here kind of breaks that mold so it looks like it's coming out of the design. Now let's open up this template here in Kittl, and let's say we were to take away the rays. Well, it's still a pretty cool design, but now we have a little bit less movement going on. Or what if we decided to make our surfer just within the design here, within the waves, and you could figure out how to do that with the stroke here. And it's cool, it's still a cohesive design, all of the elements do play well together, so we have unity, but we have less movement. We have less moving from one place to another, and it does not give you as much movement as if he's kind of breaking this mold here, and if we have the rays here in the background. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.